Hi you guys. So today I thought that I would show you a Lush Kitchen subscription box unboxing. I just got this delivered to my house. I bought it a couple of weeks ago from the Lush Kitchen site, and I know what I voted for, and I'll put that up here for you to see what I voted for. And I don't know what was voted for by the majority of people, so I don't know what's in this box. So now I'm going to open the box and we'll see what's in here, and I'll describe them. The ones that I've used before and the ones that I haven't, I'll show those to you and describe what they smell like. And I'm going to turn the camera around so I can get close-ups of the products in this box. Okay. Okay, so here is everything, and oh, I can tell that the X Factor bath bomb was voted on. I'm so happy because that's what I voted for as well. So this is the Lush Cosmetics X Factor bath bomb, and it was named after a couple of things. One of them was a TV show at the time that's called X Factor with an X. So X Factor regarding your ex. If your ex has treated you badly, then you can get this little voodoo doll and stick pins in his heart. Just kidding. That is the other Lush description for it once, honest to God. This was made in the Butterball scent. Lush sells a bath bomb, a small one, in stores called Butterball. And Butterball smells to me like sweet butter or sweet milk or something sweet and creamy. It's just yumminess as far as I'm concerned. And so I have used this before when it originally came out many years ago, and I have a video and photos of it in my lushalot.com blog, but I'm going to definitely take more pictures and do another tub video for you of this. Okay, so that's X Factor. I'm really glad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, we have Keep It Fluffy. Keep It Fluffy shower gel. I am so excited about this. They were not offering this at all for voting. This is a complete surprise to us all. You know what I really love about this also is that they have the original label style on this. The last time there was a Keep It Fluffy shower gel was at a store called Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful. It was Lush's sister company that they owned in London, and they had 10 to 15 scents there, and each scent had their own line of bath products and shower products, etc. And one of those perfume line was called Keep It Fluffy. And they had a shower gel, and I had about 5 bottles of it during my lifetime from Be Never, and this is such a treat, such a treat. You guys know, a lot of you know that I love Keep It Fluffy. It smells so good, so good. It's made with vanilla and rose and jasmine and lemongrass. So it's light and airy and pretty floral. I am really excited, and I have lots of Keep It Fluffy product pictures on my blog, and it's under the Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful boutique, 2005 to 2009. So I'm definitely going to be demoing this, reviewing this, taking photos, and uploading a demo video here on my YouTube of this. Thank you so much for making this, Lush. Thank you so very much. Oh, yay! cherryish. Okay, I voted for this also. This is a Lush body scrub, and it's called Cherryish. It's made with real dried cherries, and the exfoliating bits are crushed ground cherry stones. Lush was selling this just a few years ago in all of their stores, and they discontinued it way too early. It smells like a chocolate cherry. Now, some of you have tried the Lush Merry Christmas shower gel that was in the Advent calendar box for Christmas. This is the same scent. It's a cherry chocolate scent. Very cherryish, very cherryish, and it's sweet. So I can't wait. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And then next, oh, okay. So this is a bubble bar that Lush made 1 year only as a limited edition bubble bar for Valentine's Day, and it was called Heart of Enlightened Expectation. This was made in the Lush Flying Fox Jasmine scent, the Lust scent, and I must say, I love the look of it and I love the smell of it. When I originally did my YouTube demo of it years ago, I loved the look of it then too, but I did not like the smell of it. But I like this one. Isn't that odd? So I can't wait to use this. Here is a perfume. This is a box that Lush uses to put their spray perfume atomizers in, and some of you may not know that for the past, for the past year, every other month or so, Lush will include an exclusive perfume that they make in our subscription box. And one time in our subscription box was a holder for all of the perfumes, and so this is the last one to be made, is what I understand. And I had understood that this is going to be the Honey I Wash the Kids scent, so let's see if it is. Yes, Honey I Wash the Kids perfume fragrance. And this is a spray. It's a spray atomizer perfume. This is made with orange oil and bergamot, and it smells kind of like toffee candy. So Lush has made about 20 plus different kinds of products throughout the years with the Honey I Wash the Kids scent, and some of them are not called Honey I Wash the Kids. So I think my very favorite of this box is this, because I've been asking every time Mark Constantine asks us on his Facebook what we would like Lush to remake or bring back or what have you. I always say keep it fluffy shower gel. So that's my number one right there. And I think either X Factor or Cherryish are my number two. And then my number three is the Honey I Wash the Kids. And then the bubble bar would be the bubble bar I didn't vote for, so that would probably be number 5 of the bunch. So that is the Lush subscription box for the month of February 2022. I am very pleased about this box. I would definitely rate this a 5 out of 5 rating box because I'm partial to keep it fluffy. I've been begging and pestering and sending subliminal messages to Mark Constantine on Facebook when he asks us. So I'm glad to see this. I know other people were asking for this as well. So Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush Kitchen subscription box unopening. Bye-bye.